Welcome. I will present KUT University of Technology. KUT University of Technology is the public technical university. Why study at KUT University of Technology? Our university offers industry-tailored academic programs, has internationally recognized academic programs. Our university has partnerships with various industries that focus on technology, innovation, and development. KUT has modern engineering courses. KUT has sporting and recreational facilities, and KUT has produced leaders in technology, engineering, innovation. Our university offers perfect study condition. It's a friendly place to be. Our campus in the center of town is home to modern learning and training facilities, among them laser center and other modern laboratories, libraries, sports center, a range of catering facilities. We have about 150 foreign students from 20 countries such as Nigeria, Ghana, Morocco, Rwanda, Sudan, Ukraine, Belarus, and exchange students from European countries. Our foreign students live in dormitories. We are 6 dormitories offering comfortable rooms for students. Dormitories are quite close to the heart of the downtown, with many shops and services located nearby. If you want to live in a dormitory, you can book room in the students' dorm in the recruitment system. University is proud to cooperate with foreign universities in the field of research as well as students' exchange program. Each year, several dozen of our students study abroad within the programs Erasmus Plus in Italy, Germany, Spain, Norway, Greece. If you find more information about this program on our university, you can go to site erasmus.tu.pl. In our university works academic career center provides different forms of job search for future and current graduates of the KUT. The center staff helps students and graduates of the university in planning their professional career and offers many possibilities for work in the biggest and innovative companies. Our foreign students can get a scholarship for the best students. University club of the academic sport comprise 5 competitive programs and 21 sports clubs such as football, basketball, tennis, shooting, hiking, etc. Students have access to the sport hall, new stadium, aerobics room, the bodybuilding gym. Getting to our university is very easy. All you need to do, have a secondary school certificate, need to be self-confident speaker of English, need to be ready to change your life and start looking forward to the bright future in Europe, in Poland, in Kielce, in Kielce University of Technology. More details how to apply step by step you can find here. I want to make you sure that we are here at the university for you. Always ready to help you. Feel free to contact us, write, call, whenever you have questions, you don't know what to do. Remember, we will do our best to help you. We are just for you to answer all your questions. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Wojciech. Thank you for this presentation. So I'm sure that our attendees and potential candidates, they have a now much better overview of the university itself, and we're really glad to hear that the admission is easy, as you said, as you just mentioned, and we can only confirm that the assistance which is given by the admission team is really valuable. And Mr. Wojciech Bogucki and his team, they spare no efforts to help every candidate to get to this university. And I would like refer to one of the questions that we got. One question is the registration still open? I will answer to this question straight away. Yes, it is, and it will be open until the end of September. Am I correct, Mr. Wojciech Bogucki? Yeah, okay. And let me answer straight away with another question. Here we have a question about the master program in robotics or mechatronics or mechanical engineering, like I suppose. Unfortunately, for this year, we can only offer a bachelor program at the Faculty of Mechatronics and Mechanical Engineering. But now I would like to invite the Vice Dean of the faculty, Dr. Paweł Zmarzły. He will tell us much more about this excellent faculty and what they offer, how excellent equipment and what kind of very modern labs they have, and how they can help you to get a superior education at that university. So, Dr. Paweł Zmarzły, the floor is yours. Please continue.
Thank you very much. Maybe I turn off my camera because I have some problem with the internet, but I'm thinking that it will be okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you heard, my name is Paweł Zmarzły, and I am Vice Dean for Education and the Students at the Faculty of Mechatronics and Mechanical Engineering. And today I would like to present the most important information related to the course of Mechanical Engineering at the Kielce University of Technology. So, the Kielce University of Technology is located in the center of the European Union. So we implement all teaching programs in accordance with the European Union standards. Therefore, a diploma from our university opens the way for your employers in the European Union and all around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, what about the faculty? The Faculty of Mechatronics and Mechanical Engineering is the oldest faculty under Kielce University of Technology. And our faculty plays fifth location in the category of the research quality in the field of mechanical engineering in all universities of Poland. Therefore, the Faculty of Mechatronic and Mechanical Engineering is prestigious faculty. And as you can see in this photo, this is the main building on our faculty. So as you can see, we are on the center of the city Kielce, so it's very close to our faculty. So now I would like to talk something about our labs, laboratories. So Faculty of Mechatronic and Mechanical Engineering have around of the 40 research and teaching labs. We have one of the best equipped laboratories in Poland because we receive very large financing from the European Union. It's around of the $20 million. So we have a lot of the modern and very, very good devices in the labs. On this slide, you can see the name of few labs in our faculty. As you can see, we have weapon labs, automotive labs, 3D printing labs. I think one of the more interesting labs is a laser technology lab because we have only one laser center in the Poland where we can use, for example, laser to cut to machining some metals. Let me give you some examples of our labs. Here you can see some photos from our laboratory. As you can see on the left side, we have a lot of the CNC machine located in the CNC labs. On the right side, you can see some microscope that we can use to measure, for example, geometrical feature of mechanical components. Of course, we have a lot of the robots that we can use in our teaching classes. Another slide presents some automotive labs. As you can see, we have a car simulation, and this simulation is for students that you have classes related with these facilities. Of course, we have a lot of the real car that students use in research on the classes. As you can see, I presented a very, very small part of our labs, but all our labs are equipment with the latest research infrastructure, which is updated based on the demand of the labor market. Therefore, after graduation, after study, you have a practical engineering knowledge that you will use in the future work. Okay, now let's move to the mechanical engineering study. As you heard previously, we offer the full-time universal study that lasts 7 semesters, 3 years, and leading the engineer qualification. It should be noted that the mechanical engineering course was awarded certificate study with the future. And this certificate confirms that the mechanical engineering study is one of the most innovative and viable field of the study at the Polish universities. Moreover, this field of the study responding to the needs of the labor market. So, as I said previously, mechanical engineering in our faculty is one of the best mechanical engineering courses in Poland. I give you some examples of the topics that you will learn during the study. As you can see in this slide, you get some complete engineering knowledge, which is related with the design, development, and automation of the manufacturing systems. We have a very well machine park equipped with the expensive modern CNC machine. So you can get some information related with the programming this machine, laser, or another facilities to production. So thanks to this knowledge, you will find well-paid job in many industrial plants dealing with the production. What's the more, if you interest in the car or automotive, I'm thinking that the mechanical engineering course is for you, because you can gain some specialist knowledge related with the automotive engineering. And on our faculty, we have a lot of the classes related with the electric cars, electric bullets. So as you can see in this slide, it's electric bullets that were designed by our students. Okay, another interesting topic that you will study in is automation and robotics. So during your study, you will receive specialist knowledge related to design, for example, of Mars rover or industrial robots and controller PLC. It should be known that our students are the best of the team in design Mars rovers, but I will mention that in the moments. Another interesting topics is topics related with the military. So at our university, at mechanical engineering, you get some knowledge related with the weapons, arms, and ammunition, because near the Kielce we have a lot of the facilities, industrial facilities related with the military, with the, some aspects like that, with the defense. So a lot of our students have internship in these facilities and in the future get a job. Another interesting topic is a topic related with the design, with the industrial design. So if you have some interesting related with the art, maybe with the new products, on the mechanical engineering, you can know some aspects related with the design of the new products, new industrial products. And based of our project, you can print some prototypes using 3D printers. What about the time after the teaching? We offered many student scientific clubs where the students can develop their passions and deepen their acquired knowledge. I think the most famous student scientific club is the Impulse Club, where our students design and create Mars rovers. As you can see in this slide, our students won many international competitions. Then you get a lot of the international awards as a part of the club activities. For example, in 2019, our students won World University Rover Challenge, winning against, among other teams from the Cambridge or Oxford universities. So our students are the best in the in the design of this type of the robots. Another interesting scientific club is the Klaxon Club, where students design and produce some electrical bullets, electrical cars. So as you can see in this slide, our students design this type of the vehicle and use them in the race and win prestigious competitions. as you can see, we won first location in 2019 and 2018 in EcoSafe competition. What after the study? What after graduation? I give you some examples of the mechanical engineering careers. For example, you can work in the aeronautic area, for example, as a jet engine designer. We have a lot of the students, a lot of the graduates that got a well-paid job as a mechanical engineering, for example, in a General Electric company. Some of our students get a well-paid job, for example, in Warsaw in the General Electric, and then get some promotion and start work in the Germany. And a few of our students now work in the United States. So I think in this type of the career was very good for our students. Another potential job is rail facilities. As a mechanical engineer, you can design rail facilities, and oversee the train manufacturing project. Okay. The obvious career path is, of course, the automotive sectors. For example, our faculty cooperate with some automotive companies such as Toyota or MAN, and where our students do, for example, internship, and then after the study or during the study, they get a job in this company. As a mechanical engineer, you can get a job in company that that design medical robots, implants, or medical equipment and medical facilities. So we have some students who work, for example, in the Philips, and they design some facilities related with the medicine. So I think it's very interesting, and a good profit of this work is. And as I said previously, the main possibility of the job is the defense facilities near the Kielce. So our students get some knowledge related with this aspect, and can work in the, for example, Mesko company, which is near the city Kielce. Our students, after graduate mechanical engineering, find a well-paid job in gas and oil facilities. So, for example, the British Petrol or Orlen company give a job for our students. As you know, the petrochemics facilities is very good to the benefits of the salary. Okay, and what about the money? Yeah, because it's one of the interesting things. Based on the statistic, we indicate that the average salary of the mechanical engineer in Poland is around of $24,000 per year. Of course, after experience, this salary can be higher. What about another country? So based on some statistical information, I have prepared a list of the countries where the mechanical engineers earn the most. As we can see, the Switzerland is the country where the mechanical engineers earn the most, around of the $100,000 per year. But as you can see, there is a lot of the countries in the Europe and in all the world where the student after pass the mechanical engineering study earn a lot, such as Germany, Norway, Belgium. So I think is one of the reasons to start the study of mechanical engineering at the Kielce University of Technology. To sum up, our European degree is equal open access to the European Union job market and for the job for the all of the place of the world. I thinking we end of my presentation. Once again, I encourage you to study mechanical engineering at the KUT University of Technology. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, of course, I am open for the discussion. Thank you very much.
Oh, welcome, Mohammed.
Hi.
So it worked out. Fantastic, fantastic. So Mohammed, basically, I prepared some questions for you. I think that will be easier. So maybe first we can start you can start from saying a few words about yourself. You can introduce yourself to all our participants. So please say where do you come from? What do you study?
Okay. My name is Mohammed Adam. I am from Nigeria, but I lived most of my life in Qatar, and then I moved to Poland to study in university, in KUT University of Technology.
Could you also say how did you get here and how easy was the admission process? It was it so easy like Mr. Wojciech said?
Yes, it was really easy. I applied one day and I think I got to respond after 2 weeks that I got accepted. Yes, it was really easy. I looked up the university online. I found KUT University of Technology, and I thought this was a really good university. And then I applied for the university, and then I saw that they responded really fast, and that made me more curious about studying in the university.
All right, great. So, can you tell us how was it so interesting as you thought, like during the time when you were actually when you came here? So, what was your first impression of the field of the study and university?
My first impression was, it was actually better than I expected. The good side were there were many international students, especially Erasmus students, exchange students from different countries, from Turkey, from Italy, from Ukraine, from Spain, from different places of Europe. They come here to study for 1 semester or 2 semesters, and we spend a lot of time together with them. They're way more students now. Yeah,
from 1 year to another year, there are more students coming to KUT. By the way, when you walk through the city, you can meet a lot of foreign students. So you can see that KUT as a city is becoming more and more popular among international students. So I like it very much, actually.
Yes.
So I have another question to you. Okay. Did you feel any support from the university? So did you feel well supported from the university?
Yes, I was supported. Because I had good grades, I got the rector's scholarship, and it was a really big help for me. It was a really big help. Like every month, I got some money from the university, and it helped me survive better in Poland overall.
That's great. When we talk about money, are there any opportunities for part-time job? Is it also possible?
Yes, it is possible. There are many restaurants around. You can apply for part-time job, and it's quite easy to get part-time job. It's not really easy. And the best part is once you have a part-time job, you can also study. Like you can do both study and work at the same time. That's the best part about this university. You can make money and you can study at the same time.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. And how do you like Poland generally?
How do I like Poland?
Make any friends from Poland or from any other countries?
Yes, I made plenty of friends, but mostly from other countries, not from Poland. I've met many Polish people, but I guess the only thing that puts me like not make me too close to them is the maybe culture different and different things. Like we have different cultures. That's the only difference. But other than that, the Polish people are really nice to talk to.
Okay, so maybe that's language barrier sometimes.
Also, language, yes, the most important thing, the language.
How is your Polish, by the way?
My Polish is, I think, maximum A1, A2 level. Not very good.
It's not too bad. It's not too bad.
Yeah, I can understand better than I can speak.
Okay.
I can understand better, yeah.
Surely.
Yes.
And have you traveled to
Any
any
other?
other European countries? Did you have this
Yes,
opportunity?
I have. I've only been to two places. Berlin in Germany 2 times, and also I've been to Athens in Greece.
Wow.
And yeah, for me, going to Athens in Greece was a really good experience. It was a really good experience. Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, Mohammed. It
Thank
was
you
a
too.
pleasure to talk to you. I'm really thankful that you wanted to join us today and to share your experience from the university and from living here in Poland. I would like to thank you everyone for participating in today's webinar. I'm happy to see that the interest was actually very big. We will let you know also in case we will organize like new webinars, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions related to applying to the Kielce University of Technology. So please don't waste your time. Visit our webpage, click apply button, and become one of the students of this prestigious university. So have a nice day and hope to see you in Kielce. Bye-bye.